Welcome to Veera's classroom. In the series of block diagram reduction problems, this is the fifth one. When you are going to see the diagram, this is having lots of feedback loops. We have 3 feedback loops. All the feedback loops are interconnection. So we have to move the branch point or the summing point to the left or the right to have a proper feedback loop. So we have to check how this is to be done. Okay. Whenever we are supposed to move a branch point or a summing point, we have certain easier method. The first step I suggest you is try to move the branch point. Here also we have certain branch point, that is the branch point between G3 and G4, that can be moved to the right of G4. This is one step. Or else you can move the branch point that is between G4 and the output C of S. Move the branch point to the left of G4. Any one can be done. So here what I have done is move the branch point to the right of G4. So we are moving the branch point that is between G3 and G4 to the right. When you are moving the branch point to the right, we are supposed to multiply the term by 1 by the transfer function. Here the transfer function is G4. So we are multiplying that feedback element H2 by G4. So this is step number 1. We have moved the branch point to the right of G4. Now we have a series term. G3 and G4 are in series. So combining those terms in series will result in G3, G4. After combining both those two terms, we can find that there is a smaller feedback loop involving G3, G4 and H3. So this is a negative feedback, and instead of G we have G3, G4. For H we have H3. The formula is going to be C by R equal to G divided by 1 plus GH, 1 plus GH. So we are substituting the term. So C by R equal to G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3. So this we can replace this entire feedback loop by using this block diagram. So it has been substituted in this diagram. Now if you are going to see this diagram, the feedback loop has been replaced by this term. What is the next step? What can be done? We have again a deadlock here. Again we can try to move this branch point. Here also we have two methods. Either you move the branch point that is between G2 and the higher block G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3. The branch point between these two can be moved to the right, or else you can move the branch point that is between G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3 and the output to the left. So what I am doing is we are moving the branch point that is between G2 and G3, G4 to the right of G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3. When you are going to move to the right, we are going to divide it by, multiply it by this inverse. So we are going to multiply the feedback element H1 by the inverse of the transfer function, that is 1 plus G3, G4, H3 divided by G3, G4. We have multiplied it. So we have a feedback loop here, but before going to the solving of feedback loop, we have a series term. G2 is in series with G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3. So we will first do a series, then we will do the feedback. So combining the blocks in series, so it is going to be G3 to G2, G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3. Now we will solve the feedback loop. The feedback loop here is a positive feedback. See the diagram. In all those diagrams we will be having negative feedback. Predominantly we will be having negative feedback. Only certain conditions we will have positive feedback. This is one such problem where positive feedback is given. So for positive feedback, the formula is G by 1 minus GH. So we will substitute the term. So it is going to be C by R equal to G2, G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3 whole divided by 1 minus H2 by G4 into G2, G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3. We have a cancellation of G4, and after that we are going to take an LCM so that the denominator of both the fractions get cancelled. So the final C by R answer is G2, G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3 minus G2, G3, H2. This is replaced by the feedback element in the block diagram. So in the block diagram we have replaced the term, and when you are find the terms, it has a G1 and a block diagram. So we will try to combine the blocks and we will solve the elimination of feedback. So when you are going to combine the block, that is going to be G1, G2, G3, G4 divided by 1 plus G3, G4, H3 minus G2, G3, H2. So this is going to be elimination of feedback. Again, when you are going to see the diagram, this is negative feedback, so it's going to be G by 1 plus Gh. We are substituting the terms. This is going to be somewhat complex because the multiplication is going to go here and there. So it's Z by R equal to G1 G2 G3 G4 divided by 1 plus G3 G4 H3 minus G2 G3 H2. This is numerator, whole divided by 1 plus G1 G2 G3 G4 divided by 1 plus G3 G4 H3 minus G2 G3 H2 into H1 into 1 plus G3 G4 H3 divided by G3 G4. So the G3 G4 get cancelled, and we will take LCM and we will cancel the denominator. So the value of C by R is G1 G2 G3 G4 whole divided by 1 plus G3 G4 H3 minus G2 G3 H2 plus G1 G2 H1 into 1 plus G3 G4 H3. This is the answer for this problem. If you like this video, subscribe the video and click the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you.